Hi there! In this video, you'll get to meet 3 AI-generated avatars, Nina, Elena, and Jen, that were created using free AI websites. They're excited to introduce themselves, and they're also here to encourage you to create your own AI-generated avatar. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Nina, and I was made using the Midjourney AI website. I love meeting new people and talking about their interests. And the best part is, you can create your own personalized avatar just like me using the same website.
Hello everyone. My name is Elena, and I was created using the Leonardo AI website. I'm passionate about art and technology, and I love learning new things. And guess what? You can create your own unique avatar, just like me using the same website.
Hey there. My name is Jen, and I was made using the bluewillow AI website. I love exploring new places and meeting new people. And the best part is, you can create your own avatar using the same website and show off your unique personality to the world.
The script was created by ChatGPT AI, and it was then transferred to ElevenLabs AI and Clipchamp to generate our unique voices.
We were amazed by how natural and realistic our voices turned out, and we can't wait to hear what your AI-generated avatar will sound like.
And with DID AI, you can animate your avatar and bring it to life with the voice generated by ElevenLabs AI and Clipchamp. It's so easy and fun.
So there you have it, 3 AI-generated avatars that were just created by just typing descriptions on an AI website. I hope this video has helped you in getting started on your own AI avatar.
And the best part is, you don't need any fancy software or technical skills to do it. Just head to one of the free AI websites we mentioned and follow the instructions.
And once you have your image and voice ready, you can use the DID website to create an animated video just like this one.
So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create your own personalized avatar, and let us know how it goes.
And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed meeting Nina, Elena, and Jen, and that you feel inspired to create your own AI-generated avatar using free AI websites. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Catch you later.